I just received this turbo air blaster for my review, and this thing is no joke. I know what it's capable of, and you're gonna be blown away. No pun intended. These things are so popular nowadays. Everyone's got them to clean up, not just keyboards like we used to with these little blowers, but this is a professional little thing. You'll see what I'm talking about. Look at this baby. You've got that intensity button right here. So that nice little, this is super nice and fluid, plus and minus. I like that. And you've got your trigger and your charging USB-C, which they do provide the cable with. And I love that, the whole bronze look. It's really, really cool. They give you a little strap. I usually never use a strap because it's always on the side, like by the side of my computer on my desk. Just really, really quick to just grab. It's living on my desk because then I can just like blow things away. Not just dust, like literally anything that I want, especially if I'm doing unboxing and there's like little particles. Damn, you just blast it all the way. I want to show you, before I start blasting, I want to show you the couple of things that they do include. Really, really nice to go into those nice little kind of nooks and crannies, and you want to be able to brushing it at the same time, but blowing as well. Super cool to use this. And let's see how this is working, because this should actually come off. There you go. So you actually have this coming off, and I can actually have this one like this, bring this like that, or have it like this, have kind of like a mid fan going like down the line like that. So that's a pretty cool thing. I'm going to see if battery comes, or if the battery's already charged. If it comes charged, we're gonna, yep. So right now, very, very, very easy. As you can see, it's not moving many things. Let's see how it blows. Yeah, okay. Okay. Things are blowing away. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but that is powerful. Love this little one, but you're gonna get even more powerful with that kind of focused action. And even the minimum intensity is still a good amount to just like kind of use for dust. If you want to really blast, look at that. It's like an airplane turbine. So these things, I'm telling you, let me turn it off. Really, really useful, not just up on your desk or by your keyboard, but in your car. I've actually used it before vacuuming crazy corners. I just like kind of blow out all that dust to be able to vacuum a little bit better. Really, really nice to have. And it does come with a bunch of little tools as well that are really nice to, clean out the nooks and crannies. I love that around the car as well, because you know that sand, that dust is going down and it's hard with the vacuum. Sometimes vacuumers don't work. Sometimes you just need a good duster. An air blower like this one. Fantastic.